This is a demo of OAuth access to a JSON API with the Vordel API gateway. I'm going to use an Android tablet to access an API, which is a Google URL shortening API, through the Vordel API gateway. In the tablet, I type in the address of the API gateway, and I now have the option to have the gateway access the API on my behalf using OAuth. It gives me the link to connect to Google, where I choose to authorize the Vordel API gateway to access the API on my behalf. When I accept that, I get back an access code which I can copy and paste into the Vordel API gateway's screen, and then I can use that to authorize the Vordel API gateway to access the API on my behalf with OAuth. So I go back to the API gateway's page. Now I have the access code, and what I'm going to do is paste this in to the screen here so that then the API gateway can access the API on my behalf from now on. I press submit, the API gets called through the Vordel API gateway, and we get back the successful response from Google, which is the shortened URL. I can check that this works by pasting that into the browser, and I see that it resolves to vordel.com. So let's look under the hood and see what happened here. When we go to the traffic monitor on the gateway, what we see is all of the traffic in and out of the API gateway. I click in on the traffic monitor, and what I'm interested in seeing here is the OAuth header that was placed there by the gateway. So here we see a header called authorization, starts with OAuth, and that's our authorization header that the gateway placed there. If I go into the real-time monitoring in the gateway, I see the header there also. I also see the traffic. Here's the JSON, which was sent by the API gateway to Google, and I see the response is also JSON, and what it is the shortened URL. You see the familiar JSON structure there with the curly braces, and we see up here that the content type is application/JSON. This is what went through the Vordel API gateway. For more information, check out vordel.com.